Here is a video on how to remove or replace headlights on Ford Focus Mk2, 2005 to 2011, in just 4 easy steps. 1. Open the hood and remove the screw on the top of the headlight. 2. You can use a straight screwdriver or a coin to loosen the screw. 2. Insert a flat blade screwdriver or your hand and press down on the first clip on the headlight. 3. Insert the screwdriver and press on the second clip from the headlight. 4. Take the headlight out and disconnect its connector from the back using a flat blade screwdriver. 'Do the same with the headlight on the other side. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, you can write us in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.